Hello dears, today we are going to discuss about transport layer. This is the agenda. The transport layer is responsible for process-to-process delivery of the entire message. A process is an application program running on a host. We have seen that the network layer oversees source to destination delivery of individual packets, but it does not recognize any relationship between those packets. It treats each one independently, as though each piece belonged to a separate message. The transport layer, on the other hand, ensures that the whole message arrives intact and in order, overseeing both error control and flow control at the source to destination level. The figure shows the relationship of the transport layer to the network and session layers. In this figure, you can see that there are three processes running on each device. Second process of device A is communicating with the second process of device B. Now, the functions of transport layer. Service point addressing. Computers often run several programs at the same time. For this reason, source to destination delivery means delivery not only from one computer to the next, but also from a specific process, that is a running program, on one computer to a specific process on the other. The transport layer header must therefore include a type of address called a service point address, otherwise called as port address. The network layer gets each packet to the correct computer, whereas the transport layer gets the entire message to the correct process on that computer. Segmentation and reassembly. A message is divided into transmittable segments, with each segment containing a sequence number. These numbers enable the transport layer to reassemble the message correctly upon arriving at the destination and to identify and replace packets that were lost in transmission. Connection control. The transport layer can be either connectionless or connection-oriented. A connectionless transport layer treats each segment as an independent packet and delivers it to the transport layer at the destination machine. A connection-oriented transport layer makes a connection with the transport layer at the destination machine first before delivering the packets. After all the data are transferred, the connection is terminated. Flow control. Like the data link layer, transport layer is responsible for flow control. However, flow control at this layer is performed end-to-end rather than across a single link. Error control. Like the data link layer, the transport layer is responsible for error control. However, error control at this layer performed is process to process rather than across a single link. The sending transport layer makes sure that the entire message arrives at the receiving transport layer without error, damage, loss, or duplication. Error correction is usually achieved through retransmission. So, these are the functions of a transport layer. To conclude, transport layer provides reliable process-to-process message delivery and it is responsible for error recovery. Thank you.